Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks for tuning in today's video. I want to give you the overview when it comes to immigration for H1B visa holders, PhD students, and immigrants in general. Coming up. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button. And in today's video, I want to dive deeper into what should you expect, how the immigration will look like if you are H1B visa student, OPT student, or maybe PhD student. So what should you expect, how the future will unfold for you. So in general, President-elect Biden has this immigration plan to create a reform, comprehensive reform, modernize the immigration. Many people ask me, what does it mean? Well, it could look like a point system. I don't know, I don't have the details yet. What I will do, I'm going to be linking my other video where I did actually describe point by point, step by step, everything that he is preparing to implement. We'll see if it's really going to be implemented. When it comes to H1B visas, he certainly wants to create a reform, and he certainly wants to make it easier for H1B visa holders. I believe he wants to remove the cap, and he also wants to remove the cap when it comes to EB2, EB3 categories, especially PhD students. So if you are currently on H1B and you're thinking about the green card, you want to transfer from H1B to a green card, some of these categories, especially if you have the PhD, the way he is proposing the change is to automatically give a green card to PhDs, especially if you are within the STEM category, because they are adding significant contribution to the US economy and in general to the US, and he wants to create a path for these PhD students to automatically get a green card, right, without any cap. So he wants to make it easy for you guys. So specifically PhD students, if this goes through, it's a great news for you. When it comes to H1B visas, he wants to also modernize it, he wants to change it and upgrade it, and he's talking about the reform with these highly skilled temporary work visas, that he wants to create a fair wage system that is going to obviously provide opportunity for high skilled workers that are really needed in the US, and also remove the cap. Again, you can learn more about that. I'm going to be linking here below the video the official source link for you guys. Another thing he's talking about revoking all the executive orders recently issued by President Trump, and these are orders concerning mostly travel bans and also Muslim ban and this anti-American travel bans, as he calls them. He wants to immediately revoke within first 100 days of his office. So this is good news, especially if you are, for example, within the L visa category. If you are a business owner, if you have a business running business in US, and you might have some of your employees under L1A category and they seek visa to US, and right now they're outside of US and they need L1A visa, for example, STEM or L1B, this might be good news for you, certainly good news for you guys. All right, another thing I want to say is I made a video for entrepreneurs, immigrant entrepreneurs, E2 visa investors, EB5 investors, and so on. How is this proposed tax plan going to impact you? Because some of you guys might have questions about taxes. I do want to say in that video I give you a brief overview when it comes to his proposed tax plan. Again, I'm not tax attorney, I am not CPA, so this is just a general overview. Obviously, this is a projection, this is the plan, doesn't mean that it's implemented. It has to pass by Congress in order to become a law, and so you guys don't worry about it yet, but this is certainly part of his agenda. And so if you are entrepreneur, if you are immigrant entrepreneur, aspiring immigrant entrepreneur, you need to know that, you need to know what to expect. Most of my clients are entrepreneurs. I am teaching people how to start a company and how to incorporate, and then how to grow the business, and then eventually how to move to US under E2 visa. When it comes to those taxes, that proposed changes are going to impact people who are making more than $400,000 a year, especially if it's personal income, and in that case there is going to be increase when it comes to taxes to 39.6, and then additionally to that you have to add into it the payroll tax, which is 12.4. So we're talking about 52% of paying taxes if your income is more than 400,000 a year. And by the way, if you are an entrepreneur, if you're a successful entrepreneur, certainly we're not talking even about millions here. We're talking about middle class. We're talking about numbers for middle class people. So guys, definitely check out that video. I'm going to be linking the video for you as well. So guys, these are my updates when it comes to H1Bs, when it comes to EB categories of green cards, especially for PhD students. Again, I'm going to be linking the official source if you want to dig deeper. And by the way, check out my video where I did explain everything you need to know when it comes to this proposed immigration plan that Biden has. I'm going to be linking the video here for you, so definitely go ahead and check it out. Meanwhile, stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you are new to my channel, make sure to like my channel, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and also check out my Instagram account where I'm sharing daily updates. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.